Or if you're on a mission to become a plant parent, you want to head down south to the city of Grant Park.
Roseanne is planting her feet down at Sunrise Greenhouse to give us the details. Hi, Roseanne.
Hi, good morning. We have definitely found the place where you can get your plants for spring planting. This is your destination, Woldhuis Farms Sunrise Greenhouse. And look at the lilies. Look at the lush greenery. There are crowds of people. We're literally dodging shopping carts as people pile up getting ready to beautify their gardens. Oh, I want to introduce you to Trevor Woldhuis, and yes, that is as in Woldhuis Farms, because this is a family operation for 4 generations now?
Yes, it is. My great-grandfather bought the property we sit on in 1960. Started mostly as farm production, and then just over the years transformed into more and more greenhouse production, which has been blessed to the building we are in today.
It is amazing. The camera doesn't do it justice. A massive space. Give us an idea of the kind of plants you carry.
Yeah, we grow. Our main specialty is flowers, vegetable plants, hanging baskets. That's our bread and butter. But we also carry 300,000 perennials, tens of thousands of trees and shrubs outside, over 100 different types of roses. What sets us apart is that massive selection and variety that we carry.
Right, and this is the busiest day of the year.
Yes, everybody loves to get flowers for Mother's Day. It's when it's safe to plant outside, and so it's prime planting season.
That's right. But you have stuff here all year. What else do you carry?
Yeah, so throughout the summer months, we continue to sell perennials and trees and shrubs. In the fall, we grow 200,000 fall mums, which bloom in the fall and look fantastic. And then we also, during November and December, do winter porch pots to decorate the outside during the Christmas season.
Well, I tell you, it is just, it's like an inspiration when you walk in here. You have so many things. So what's the biggest challenge this time of year?
Mostly just keeping all the beautiful product in front of people. We sell out. We sell a lot of stuff, and we have a lot of customers coming through the doors every day. So just keeping the plants in front of everybody, but we do our best. We work hard.
Yes. Well, obviously, you've survived 4 generations, so you're doing something right here. Well, thank you so much for talking to us. What do people need to know if they want to come out and visit?
Yeah, they can learn more about us at woldhuisfarms.com. They can also check us out on Facebook and Instagram.
And you're in Grant Park, Illinois.
Correct. About an hour drive south from Chicago.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for talking to us. We'll have much more for you next hour as we check out the plants at this giant garden center. Back to you.